Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this vlog is about my first time climbing in Japan. I landed in Japan on a Friday night in Tokyo and we went straight to Rocky Shinagawa climbing gym. I'm traveling with my buddies Hiram and PJ, who I went to college with. And Hiram's a seasoned climber. PJ, he's a beginner climber. Here you see him on an easy V0 and he's having a lot of fun with it. But we tried a lot of cool stuff in Japan. There was a lot of jumpy problems like this one that Hiram is on. We couldn't figure out the timing on this. It just kept swinging us off. And I didn't do too much filming at this Shinagawa gym. Here's a little comparison with me and Hiram on a dark green tag, which is kind of like a V3, V4 I would say. But as you can see, Hiram is super smooth. He's very light on his feet. He's like a cat. And here I am. I didn't know I could go left like Hiram. And then I think Hiram goes for a right. No, he goes for a left hand on the next hold. And I kind of did some funny footwork to go for a right. But yeah, in general, the setting in Japan is very different. A lot harder than it is in the US. And we had a lot of fun at this first gym. I think we did a solid 2-3 hours at this gym before we went out for dinner. So the other gym we went to is also a rocky climbing gym. This one was in Shinjuku. Here you can see some of the grades. And this gym I felt was a little bit nicer. I liked it more than the Shinagawa one. It had more varied walls and the problems felt kind of US style, but also had a Japanese flair. And one of my favorite walls in this gym was this one called the Monster Wall, because it was angled at like 45 degrees. And it had a nice overhang. I felt right at home on this one. And this is a dark green tag, which is like maybe a V3, V4 again. And I was just cruising a bit. So this gym was a lot of fun, enjoyed it a lot. And let's get back into the normal vlog now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Rocky Shinjuku with my boy Hiram. We're just doing kind of a light sesh today, and Hiram's working on this dark green tag that I just sent, but it's not falling. This guy is about to do the move here. This is where Hiram's stuck, getting a right hand over from that pinch. It's a very power move. That guy couldn't do it either. So here's the Rocky grading system, and right now we're kind of on this tag. We might try some of these, but those are kind of hard. These are too easy. These are right where we're at. Alright, I just tried my first lime green. Shut me down, it's very crimpy. My fingers can't handle it right now, so we're gonna go back down another tape to the dark greens. 6 send on the purple tag, bro. We're going back down to purple tag. That looks sketch, but doable. Slab was good. We're moving on to a green. It's the one with the pink volumes right there. Let's do it. All right, let's go, Hiram. Alright, this pink hold one is still giving us trouble. Going from here to there on the heel is kind of tricky. Alright, Hiram giving it another burn. Come on, bro. He's going up with the right hand here. He's gonna cut feet. Nice, controlled. Going up for another right. Come on. Nice, heel hook. Come on, hold it. Come on. This is where it gets tricky. Gotta go for the cross. Nice, you stuck it. Come on. Come on, dude, don't lose it. Ah, come on. Sweats. Hiram, you gonna give it one more whirl?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, here he goes. Getting his best position. Eyeing that toe hook on the left. That's it, bro. Let's do this. Power move, power move. Nice. Nice. Get the feet up. Right hand slap, boom. Heel. Find the sweet spot. There you go, bro. Come on. Nice. Here comes the cross. Boom. All right, focus here. Take a little breather. Let's go for it. It's a good hold. Nice, dude. It's over. It's so over. Ah, good effort, dude. Good effort. Tell us what happened there.
Just got pumped.
Alright, just tried that 20 move circuit. Got shut down at number 15, 16 out of 20. But now Hiram's gonna go back and finish that pink blocky one. Let's do it. Alright, we rested for a little bit. Hiram's gonna give it another burn. Too tired? So we're trying to get this jumpy problem for the gram. If that's what you come to Japan for, to do jumpy problems. But the top hold on this one is a nasty sloper. And it's just impossible to match right now. We can't get it. Right up there. When you get to the top, there's no good hold. Yeah. But we'll keep trying. We got to get it for the gram. All right, Hiram's trying to figure out that top part. But it's not looking good. What's the verdict, brah?
It's impossible to hold.
Alright, I don't know what we're gonna do about this one. Can't hold it. Man, that sloper shut me down. Before we get out of here, Hiram's gonna do that pink blocky one more time. See if he can send. Cheer him on, let's do it. Come on, Hiram.
ごめんなさい。
なんでSix in, brah. Looks like we can get out of here now. Alright, Hiram sent to dark green, so now I have to send to dark green before we go. 6 cents. And the crowd goes wild, dude.
Tiring.
Everyone was loving it.